We talk about the American dream as if it's guaranteed. It's not. It's a system, and like any system, it has to be maintained, repaired, and sometimes rebuilt. America was built on the promise that hard work and determination could lift everyone higher. That where you start doesn't determine where you finish. It's a story we've told ourselves for generations. From the immigrants arriving at Ellis Island to the factory worker buying a first home in the suburbs, upward mobility. But for too many today, that ladder to the top isn't just shaky, it's missing rungs entirely. Over the last 50 years, the United States has quietly undergone a shift that has frozen mobility for millions. But it's not that ambition has disappeared. It's that the structure that once supported upward movement, the economic ladder, has splintered. In the post-World War II decades, the economic ladder was much more stable than it is today. Data from the Equality of Opportunity Project shows that in 1970, more than 90% of children grew up to earn more than their parents. Today, barely half do. This collapse in generational progress isn't an accident. It's the result of policy decisions, economic restructurings, and the slow erosion of the mechanisms that once made the American dream achievable. The shift has been so gradual that many Americans haven't noticed it happening at all. We still point to exceptional success stories. The entrepreneur from a small town, the immigrant family whose children graduated college, and tell ourselves the system works. But those stories are now exceptions, not the rule. For the vast majority, the distance between where you start and where you end up has narrowed. And for millions, it has become fixed. Historically, the mobility engine was fueled by a combination of affordable education, accessible home ownership, stable jobs with benefits, and a social contract that ensured hard work paid off. But over time, wages stagnated while the cost of housing, healthcare, and education soared. The rungs on the ladder didn't just get further apart. For many, they broke off entirely. Consider homeownership. In 1960, the median home price was about twice the average household income. By 2023, it was more than 5 times the average income, according to the visual capitalists using data sourced from the U.S. Census Bureau.